Hello, good morning mga iring banbanon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So mga iring banbanon, for today's vlog, fishing and go around in somewhere there, like a flower festival, no? So samahan niyo ako mga iring banbanon. Tara na. So we get this like, what is, I don't know what is kind of fish this one. Hello, good morning mga iring banbanon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So samahan niyo ako mga iring banbanon. Nandito tayo sa the best place here in Dubai. So we will discover what is the inside, and I observed that a lot of different colors of flowers, no, it's flower festival. So tara na, samahan niyo ako. Visit here, fishing and swimming. Hi guys, this is what you how you do for
what?
Yeah. So it's shrimps. So we cannot catch. It's strange. So still waiting to get the fish. It's too hot now. So we're releasing the nylon.
No, it's not really big, but I think it's cheaper.
So this one. Good. So this is good, one fried. Yeah, we get more bigger. So we get this like, what is, I don't know what is kind of fish this one. So I don't know what is kind. It's like tilapia. Perfect. Yeah? So another catch. So this is 5 times. Nice.
Now cat is all.
So again, a little bit bigger.
Sherry.
Yeah. So mga iring banbanon, dito tayo sa center. Sa aisle gud ko naglakad para makita ninyo ang flowers, no? The whole here street flowers gina siya, so you can see the beautiful flowers. And it's a very perfect combinations of flowers, no? Na ay purple, na ay pink.
What?
So mo siya, it's a beautiful place. So maganda, it's really beautiful, very good mga iring banbanon, no? So sa doon sa unahan, maganda ang mga beach doon. So you can see later the beautiful beaches here in Dubai. So dito tayo sa center, baka ma-shock up tayo mga iring banbanon, no? Para makita niyo yung view. So dito tayo sa center. So maganda dito mga iring banbanon, very quiet. And yes, oo, no? Ayan. So, palabas na tayo this area. Papunta tayo sa beach area. So, you can see later mga iring banbanon. Samahan niyo ako mga iring banbanon ha. So, early in the morning, naglakaw-lakaw ko para lang makita na to ang view here. So, I think the other side, it's other states of Dubai. So, no, ayan. The flowers, no? You can see the flowers. Feng talaga, feng. So,
What?
maganda siya, no? Mga iring banbanon. Ayan. So, palabas na tayo. Ayan. The flowers is beautiful. And it will mix happy and perfect day. So, ayan. So, if you can see the fresh flowers along the way, so talagang you will be relaxed and the joy and the happiness, no, here. So, tara na, samahan niyo ako mga iring banbanon. Let's go. So, nandito na tayo malapit sa beach mga iring banbanon. So, this is the center na. So, rotunda siya, paikot na. So, other side, pwede ka mag-bus doon papuntang City of Dubai. So, yan, ang park nila. Maganda talaga. So, this is the place. You can see the beautiful flowers. It's really the whole way, the whole area, it's full of flowers. Pink and purple, no? So,
What?
tara na, punta tayo doon, mga iring banbanon. So, nandito na tayo sa center. So, this is the area flowers. So, papunta tayo doon sa, may mga Filipino, iba-ibang lahi, nag-fishing. So, we will see kung naaba sila makuha ang isda, no? So, if there is someone to catch fish. Ay, naglupa. So, tara na mga iring banbanon. Let's go. Be safe. So, ayan mga iring banbanon. The whole street of this area is full of flowers. And you can see the flowers, it's blooming and yan, the whole way. Lahat dito, mga iring banbanon. No, papunta doon sa dulo. Puro flowers yan. It's a fresh flowers. It's original. It's not a plastic ha, mga iring banbanon ha. So, papunta yan doon. Papunta. It's a beautiful place here. Very quiet. And it's a Friday today. So, you can feel the very solemn kaayo siya. So, mga iring banbanon. Mauni siya, no? So, it's early in the morning. So, samahan niyo ko mga iring banbanon ha. Maglakad-lakad muna tayo. So guys, pauwi na ako kasi sobrang init na. So hindi na kaya. So parang 3 lang nakuha ko. So thank you for your watching my YouTube channel mga iring banbanon. So please don't forget to like, comment, and share to everyone, no? So puno sa kasakit o puno sa kalipay. I-chika mo, ilaglag natin. Shalala, bangbang, bye. Take care and God bless to everyone. Bye. Thank you.